everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these eggnog cookies. For the ingredients, you're going to want some all-purpose flour, some eggnog, granulated sugar, salt, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, baking powder, unsalted butter, ground ginger, ground cloves, ground nutmeg, and an egg. First thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to take 3/4 a cup of unsalted butter. I softened it in the microwave a little bit. I'm going to plop it into a big mixing bowl. And then I'm adding in 1 1/4 cups of the sugar, and I'm going to blend on a low speed until combined. In a separate mixing bowl with a sifter, we're going to add 2 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. And then we're just going to sift it all together. Into the bowl that has the butter and the sugar, we're going to add 1/4 cup of eggnog to it. We're also going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla here and an egg. And then we're going to blend again until all combined. At this point, we're gradually going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and we're going to blend in between. I'm now going to take a parchment lined cookie sheet, and I'm going to take like a medium cookie scoop, and I'm going to scoop them 2 inches apart onto the pan. And then we're going to throw them in the oven and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, this part's optional, but I do like to add a little bit of nutmeg onto the top of the cookie as well, and I like to do this while it's still warm. And then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the remaining dough. This recipe does make a little over 2 dozen cookies, so it's great for the holidays coming up. Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, Christmas. If you have people that like eggnog, they will probably like these cookies. I did bring these as well as some frosted sugar cookies I made to work, and the eggnog cookies flew compared to the sugar cookies. That being said, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see my upcoming videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button. If you try out this recipe, let me know how you like it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.